Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the license for the font. Make sure you can legally convert it. Once done, open the zip with your preferred extractor and extract into a clean folder. This prevents mixed versions. Make note of file types found. An OTF or PFB is convertible. A TTF may already be done. Next, if files are in a font collection, TTC, duplicate and isolate the specific face. Prepare Font Forge or another converter now so you can open the exact source file. You should open the extracted source file in Font Forge or a trusted converter. This gives you control over the conversion. Once opened, inspect the glyph set. Remove overlaps, correct contours, and fix any metric or kerning issues. These steps prevent rendering problems. Make sure the CMAP and encoding are correct so characters map properly. Then update font metadata, family name, version, and copyright fields. When glyphs look correct, use Generate Fonts and choose TrueType, TTF, with hinted outlines if available. Export the new file as a TTF from your tool. Select hinting and remove overlaps if the converter offers those options. After export, install the TTF on 1 or 2 test machines and open it in different apps at various sizes to verify spacing and rendering. If text looks wrong, run Font Forge's validation and examine the CMAP and glyph outlines. Often a missing mapping or bad contour causes failure. If conversion fails, revert to the original source and retry with all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.